Hello everybody and welcome to the next lesson on the private reading project. This is lesson 2 for the platinum level of the project, so just double check and make sure that you've got the correct video for you, and remember that you must stick with the same level that you chose for last lesson. Just as a reminder of the plan then, during the first lesson we talked about the start of our projects and how to get going. This lesson will be talking about the main body of the work that you need to do. Lesson 3 will be discussing how to get finished off, and Lesson 4 will be talking about taking pride in our work and how to check it against the success criteria. So what is platinum level? Just to remind us, you need to write an 800 word long genre study essay, and you must also complete a genre study poster. And please remember that your novels must all be of the same genre in order to achieve platinum level. So you may remember that during the last lesson you were given a genre essay checklist. So today we're only going to be focusing on certain parts of your genre essay, and you'll be able to see that in a little bit more detail on the detailed plan that has been added to your OneNote page for this lesson. But the areas we're focusing on today are the title, author, genre and a brief summary of the books, information about the character, setting and structure, and a paragraph with information about your chosen genre. So we're only focusing on these parts of the essay during this lesson, and as I say, a detailed essay structure has been added to your OneNote page. So the highlighted paragraphs are the ones that you should focus on writing during this lesson, and where you should complete that work is wherever you decided that you would most like to write your finished genre essay. So you might have decided to write it as a Word document or on pages or on a piece of lined paper, but wherever you decided to complete the work, that's where you should write the paragraphs for today. So pause the video and have a go at that now. You'll also see on the OneNote that a word bank has been included if you feel that you need to use it. So, as well as your genre essay, remember that we're also doing a poster at platinum level. And for today, for the poster, you need to focus on information about the genre of the books, information about the author's books that they usually write, including pictures of the covers, and also a little bit of a note about the author's personal background and their writing career. And we're only focusing on these parts of the poster during the lesson. And where you should do this is wherever you decided that you would like to create the final draft of your poster. So you might have decided that you were going to do it on an app like Book Creator, you might have decided to do it on Word or Pages, or even just a blank piece of paper, but that's where you should make sure that you've added these parts of your poster today. If you remember, everybody did a draft poster plan for the last lesson. So the parts that we're focusing on today are things like the cover images and information about all of the different books, information about the chosen genre that you've decided to look at, and then you've also got additional things like added pictures to make your poster look really fantastic. And in the next lesson, we'll be talking about our personal response and adding a little bit of information about how well we think each of our books has fit as an example of the genre. So you'll need to pause the video and do that now. And that's the end of today's lesson. Well done, and remember to speak to your teacher if you need help with anything that we've covered during today's class.